Hi guys, it's Carissa with the Dragon's Gem, and I have another Cabochon unboxing and review for you today. This time we are going to review Maya crystals. This is actually a Facebook group. They sell all of their stuff through Facebook, and I will make sure that I include a link to that group down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so two packages, a bag inside a bag with a box that I have already pulled tape off of. And I've actually already gone through these and sorted them out and written the prices on them and stuff. That way I don't have to look at a list and fuss with things during the whole video. So, right off the bat, I spent way more than I should have. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I'm being an irresponsible adult. But there was so much really pretty stuff that it was really hard for me to resist. So these are cabochons that I got from an event that Maya Crystals does called, oh gosh, is it called Maya's Picks? I'm not really sure now, but hey, look at this information popping up on the screen. Okay, so, alright, these are cabochons that the lady partner in this team, I think it's a husband and wife team. Anyway, she has gone through and picked these out of like her favorite stuff from things that she'd been saving versus stuff that they've just had around. So some of them are older and some of them are a little bit damaged. Like this one here, you can kind of see right there, it's got chips on the side. And the bottom as well is not that great. But for the most part, the top is pretty solid. That is a $10 septarian. And the way they do these auctions, she posts things a few at a time to an album in their Facebook group. And the first person to comment, me, gets to buy the item. And they go through and sort everything out after the auction. Sometimes there's more than one. Sometimes there's a lot. Like A-L-O-T, not a lot as in many. As in, there is one lot of a certain stone that you can buy. Like, these tiger irons were one lot. So I got the 3 stones for $3. Which, these were some really pretty tiger iron. Like, I was really happy with the coloring in them. I really like that nice banding of color that's going on in there. Come on, focus. So anyway, when I bid, I got these 3 tiger irons, all for $3. And that was just a lot that I had bid on. So one thing that I really like about purchasing through this seller is you don't have the typical language barrier that you do when you purchase from other people through India. A lot of times the English is very good. You know, English is not an easy language to master. But sometimes it can be hard to communicate when things don't get translated just right. So the husband in this setup, I think he seems like he has been English speaking American England, I don't know, at some point. he does most of the communication, and it's really super easy to communicate with him, which makes asking questions way easier than it would be for some of the other places that I've bought from. These are some tree agates, which these are two $3 pieces. This is another $3 piece, and this one, they're all $3 pieces. But I just really liked the tree agates. I thought the green and the white was really pretty, and I thought that they would be really nice to have like trees of life over them. Those were all really good quality. A lot of these stones are just like superb quality. There's just a few that had the little chip problems, and really, if you're going to set the stone in anything or wrap it, you're not going to notice that when you're working with it. Everything was as pictured. Everything was handled pretty fast. I was really, honestly, very pleased. The shipping was not an outlandish price. I don't really know what more to say about this. The experience was really good, and the stones are really great for the most part. There's only a few flaws here or there. This is some native copper. I paid $8 for this piece. I may just go through these quickly and tell you the prices that I paid. And if you want to see anything more clearly, you can let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to do a close-up, longer review of all the different cabochons, if you'd like. This is a piece of Mojave Larimar for $4. It looks like it's got little pieces of Larimar that have been chopped up and then mixed with something else, like partly man-made. I don't know. I don't know about Mojave Larimar. I just thought it was really pretty. So, to go over the prices on these real quick, we've got the Chevron Amethyst for $3. And from what I understand, this seller will weigh things up beforehand to get the prices, which is why you can get like $3 Chevron Amethyst, $4 Chevron Amethyst. This one's bigger, this one's smaller. Shoot, I might have put them in the wrong bag. I'd have to weigh them to find out. The heavier one would probably be the $4 one. Another $3 Chevron Amethyst. This is a big chunkin' $10 Amethyst. Which it does have like a little bit of a scratch on the top of it right there, if you can kind of see that. But their photos are all pretty well photographed. But they don't really go out of their way to point out any flaws in the stone. So if it would bother you to get something like this that had that type of crack or chip or anything in it, then, you know, take a little more time before you bid on something when they're doing a live auction like this. You'll probably miss things, but at least you won't bid on stuff that you don't want. They do have things listed all the time as well. It's not only that auction. This is a piece of dendrite, which I thought just looked really cool because it looks like it's been airbrushed, but it hasn't. This is just natural stone. Isn't that so cool? But yeah, $3 for that little one. So, what else do we have? $4 for a brecciated jasper. $3 for Red River Jasper. This is the back of the cabochon. $4 for some Mookite, which is the back of it again. Thought that was really pretty. $2 for this piece of lapis. This is like a friggin' guitar pick. When I bid on this one, I did not realize it was so thin. I really should have suspected something based on the price being just $2, but it's really pretty. It's just really super thin. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I might wind up giving it to my brother-in-law, or ex-brother-in-law, to use as a guitar pick. A gift of some yellow aventurine. More $3 Chevron Amethyst. Some $4 Crinoid. $2 Laguna. $3 for some Numite, which that's the back of it again, because I don't put these papers in very well. Come on, focus. You can kind of see those sparkles in it. This is some bronzite that I'm really looking forward to working with. I want to make a tree of life on this because those bronze flashes just made me think of like leaves. It's so pretty. Bronzite was $5. Miriam Jasper for $4. I think that's a fossil option. Rhodonite for $4. Another piece of native copper for $5. Amethyst, again, $4 piece. $5 piece of amethyst. Some Norina, not sure. Which was $3. I'm going to take this one out because I really like it. It's really pretty. This is a $4 Botswana agate. Oop, almost dropped it. Isn't that so cool? I like that. $3 Chevron Amethyst, and I'll take this one out also. This is a $3 Ruby Zoisite, and it's got a nice little flash on top. It doesn't want to show up. Let's see if I put it here. There we go. Now you can see that flash. Anyway, yeah, that was my crystal store. I got a lot of pieces for under $5, which is kind of why I went crazy. Communication was really fast with them. They shipped really soon. I got a tracking number updated through PayPal, and honestly, this is one of the fastest packages that has arrived so far. If you want to see any of these stones closer, please leave a comment and let me know, and I will post them to my Instagram. You can find links for my Instagram down in the comments below, or in the description below, as well as links to Etsy and Facebook. If you see a stone that you like and you want to commission a piece of wire wrap jewelry with it, awesome. Let me know. Check my Etsy, because from time to time when I get stones that I just don't really care for in person, I will often relist them on Etsy for very close to what I paid for them. I don't mark them up a whole amount, just a tiny bit to help cover the shipping that I originally paid. I just sold a piece of Larimar that I had got that I didn't want to work with. So anyway, this is Maya Crystal's store on Facebook, and I highly recommend joining the group and checking them out. If you do join the group, please tell them that you were referred by Rissa Renee. That is my name on Facebook. If you do that, then there will be a percentage discount that I get for referring new members. And then if you refer members of your own, make sure that they tell them that they were referred by you, and they will be able to get a discount as well. I doubt... That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future. Have a great day. Bye.